Thank you very much for joining me today on Krista So Crafty. I really appreciate you being here. My name is Krista and today we're going to be making an exploding box. Now this is a project that I saw over at Jennifer Maker. Make sure you go over and check out her page. She has some amazing projects. I really thought that this would be something cool to make, so I wanted to bring you along with me. As we go through the project, I will show you the different steps and procedures that I'm using and that I'm following to make this project, but this is how I'm going to do it, and the colors I'm going to use and the patterns and the paper, and I hope you enjoy it. So thank you and follow along and let's get going. This is the number 4 cut for the butterfly exploding box. I think this is going to be a very cool project. I'm excited to have it finished. These are the ones I have cut out already. There's 3 of them here. So there's 4 different size boxes. We're getting there. So I do have to say there are a lot of pieces with this project, but you know what? It's so worth it. And the Cricut cuts them out beautifully. Jennifer made some beautiful designs with this project and the machine cuts them out beautifully. The glue pen that I'm using is called a glue marker actually, and it's from Craft Medley, Creative Essentials. Now I did find it on Amazon, so I can link it down below if you're interested in that. But it's actually quite nice because it has a fine tip and allows you to get into the fine detailed pieces of the butterfly, and it really helps to be able to glue that paper on there. And of course using a pair of tweezers is a wonderful tool to have in your craft room as well. So now the next step is to glue on the little pocket things that we made. These hold little tiny cards, or you could put like a little gift card in them. I think that's kind of a neat little feature added onto these. And so here you can see I've just made some little cards to go in there, but yeah, you could probably put gift cards in there as well. Kind of neat. So yeah, you can put little sentiments on there. And then on the other 2 sides where the striped ones are, you could put some pictures on there if you wanted. This one here is done, and you just repeat the same process for all the other 3. Put the little pockets on, put the little picture things on, and do that for all of them. On the outside of the box I did cut out some squares and I glued them all the way around, as well as I cut out some little black butterflies and put those on, glued those on as well. And then on the top we made a little butterfly and folded it so that it would, you know, act as a little decoration on top. I thought it looked pretty cool. So much fun making this. I want to thank you for joining me today as I made the exploding box, the butterfly exploding box. It was really fun. I really enjoyed making it, and I'm sure I will be making more in the future. Now this one here I can't show you right now because I've already given it to my daughter for her birthday with a little present on the inside, but I really enjoyed making it. And you know, I did end up having to go and buy some 12 by 12 sheets, the big ones, to cut out the butterfly box part. But the other little pieces, it was just scraps that I was using. And so that's always a good thing when you can use up some of your scraps. Thank you again for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed following along as I made the butterfly exploding box from Jennifer Maker. Like I said before, make sure you go and check out her page. She has so many beautiful projects. This is just one of them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoyed this type of content, and be sure to click on the little bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you again and happy crafting.